Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a MediaFire and download link. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up a browser. Now, just go ahead over to MediaFire.com and then log in with your MediaFire account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on sign up. So just go ahead and select basic right here and click on sign up and sign up with your Google account for easy access. And then wait for it to automatically log you in. So you have the upload button right here at the very top. Click on the plus sign. You can add in a folder as well. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in this image. Click on open. Now go ahead and click on upload right here and just wait for the upload process to finish. Now once done, you can go ahead and click on share. Copy the link from here or share it directly to your Facebook, X, email, Reddit, Blogger, or LinkedIn account. Okay, copy link. Now when a person went ahead and clicked on your link or MediaFire link, it will look like this. All right, they can just easily download it from here. Download. And that's how simple it is to create a MediaFire download link. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.